Good morning, guys. Hilltown here. So I was in the auto parts store the other day and I was walking up and down the aisles looking at stuff I really didn't need, but I happened to come across a replacement key fob for my truck. And while it wasn't the exact one for my truck, it gave me the idea to go home and order one online. And so that's what I did, because one of my original ones has a big crack down the middle of it. And one of these days it's going to split in two. So let's go ahead and basically swap the guts from my factory one, put them into this one, and see if it works. Okay, so I'm just going to push out the guts to this original one. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in this replacement. There we go. Just gently push it down into the face of the fob. I'm going to take my battery out. This goes positive down. This battery's not very old, so I'm not going to change it. Believe it or not, I just recently took the original battery out of this thing, 10 years old. This one was, I think this one was still working, the other one had died. There we go. Battery's in place. Go ahead and put the clamshell back together. And if all goes well, this thing's just going to snap together. Now, proof is in the pudding. Let's see if it wants to unlock the truck. Actually, I'll start it. That way I don't need to move the camera. Lock. Unlock. Alarm. Go ahead and lock it one more time. Start. Beautiful. We're back in business. So that's it, guys. Appreciate you watching. We will see you next time.